Andrew Chase from the Ask Andy Anything YouTube channel. And today I have a mea culpa. Basically, I owe Cleansebot a small apology.
I'm so sorry.
So let me explain. The other day I did a video talking about what a load of crap that the Cleansebot was. Confident that this is a piece of crap. However, there was operator error, like I thought there might be.
I didn't do it. I can't do it, see?
I figured it out. And as you can see here, easily, yeah, there we go. So what I didn't do the other day was I didn't take this off. So with that off, because I complained about the weight, but with that off, I mean, it still weighs a lot, but it's just where the motor and everything is in. Yeah, it's a few ounces less. But the thing is, you actually do need to take that off in order for it to work at all on your bed. And so you're going to see in this video that I did in fact try it out the next day. It does move. I said it didn't move before because obviously I wasn't turning it on correctly. However, it just seems to go north, south, or east, west, but not in any sort of circle. You see the advertisement video, it shows it zipping around, you know, at light speed underneath your sheets, getting every possible crevice with no challenge whatsoever. This little thing jumps itself right off the bed. I made the sheets as tight as I could, but if you make them too tight, it won't move much at all. So I just decided that it was going to become my ESA, my emotional support android. So it is kind of nice to have the little guy running around here. I basically live by myself, and so it keeps me company. And I was looking to get an emotional support animal. The upkeep isn't as much. $99 is how much it cost me to get it on the Kickstarter. I just kind of look at it as I got myself a little pet for 99 bucks. It will go around and it'll get stuck on somewhere, but I can use it on the carpet. You know, there's dust mites in the carpet. I will take it with me when I travel in a car. I just can't see it taking it to fly places. I've watched a video on what those dust mites do, and it's pretty disgusting.
Kept homes, microscopic dust mites quietly live their lives. Like miniature dinosaurs from a long-lost world, their bodies rarely grow large enough for the naked eye to see.
But then again, ignorance is bliss. I've lived 53 years without having a need for one of these things, so I'm not sure how necessary it is. If you are someone that's chronically ill or you have really bad allergies, it's something you might want to take a look into. But then again, as I mentioned in my other video, you can just use a UV wand to kill them suckers. And also, I'm not sure if I mentioned in my last video, one way to kill dust mites on new mattresses is to take a cup of baking soda and mix it with a little bit of organic essential oil, eucalyptus perhaps, that's what I use. You leave it there for 15 minutes and you vacuum it off. I use it for the carpet. So I take the baking soda and the organic eucalyptus essential oil and I put it all over my carpet, and then I vacuum it up after 15 minutes. I just wanted to update that. Like I said in my last video, I'm not trying to crush anybody. You know, I know these people worked hard and they had great expectations, and that doesn't always hit the mark. I'm sure there's going to be some companies doing it much better coming up shortly. As my father always said, don't be first, be next. If you still trust me, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And of course, as always, please comment. Feedback is so important. I like to find out if you have the Cleansebot, what you think about it. All right, thanks for stopping by. Take care.